So got my downpipe all fit up. It's kind of what it looks like, starting to weld on it. There's some big gaps I gotta fill, but shouldn't be too bad. I mean, that one kind of blew out, but yeah. 5-inch stainless steel. I just got a cheap TIG welder. Alright guys, that's pretty well what my downpipe looks like. Not very big at all, well, long wise, but 5-inch, and TIG welded it. My TIG welding skills aren't very good. Neither was my gap fitment, but it's together, and it's not gonna fall apart. I mean, V-bank came out a little nicer. That had a pretty nice gap on it. So, yeah. Should release some serious amount of exhaust. Not too bad though. Looks like we didn't warp the flange any, which is good. I took my time welding the last part so it didn't warp it. I welded it, then let it cool down, and then welded it and let it cool down quite a few times. I still gotta weld my O2 bung in this, but that's about it. I'd take back out to do that. Came out pretty good. So, I mean, here's what it looks like coming through the fender. I mean, the exit's about like this. Came out pretty good. 5-inch stainless steel pipe. Yeah. Probably be pretty loud, pretty short. I got it facing back a little bit and down, so this angle is pretty well level to the ground.